Direct deposit speeded on Cash App. And Chime is mostly controlled by your employer's payroll timing, and how quickly each app posts incoming ACH transfers once the bank releases them. By the end of this, you'll know which app tends to show deposits faster, what actually causes delays, and how to avoid waiting longer than necessary. Start with Chime. Chime is built around early direct deposit features, which means it posts incoming payroll funds as soon as they are received from the bank network. That timing depends on when your employer submits payroll, not just the scheduled payday. Now look at Cash App. Cash App also supports direct deposit, but it functions more like a standard banking setup where deposits are posted when the ACH transfer clears. That means timing can feel less predictable compared to apps designed around early payroll posting. Next, compare processing behavior. Chime is designed to prioritize incoming deposits as soon as they arrive in its system. Cash App follows standard deposit processing rules based on ACH timing and bank release schedules. Now check early access behavior. Chime is known for showing payroll deposits earlier than the scheduled payday when funds are received early from employers. Cash App may still show deposits early in some cases, but it is less consistent because it depends on standard processing flows. Next, look at employer influence. Both apps rely heavily on your employer submitting payroll early to the banking network. If payroll is submitted late, neither app can speed up the transfer. Now consider deposit visibility. Chime often reflects pending deposits as soon as they are detected in the system, even before full posting. Cash App may only show deposits once they are fully processed and cleared. Next, check account setup. Both apps require properly set up direct deposit routing and account numbers for payroll to arrive correctly. Incorrect setup can delay deposits regardless of the platform. Now look at network timing. Transfers typically move in batches, and both apps depend on those batch windows. Chime is structured to credit funds immediately after receipt. Cash App waits for standard settlement confirmation. Next, compare consistency. Users often report more consistent early deposit visibility due to its payroll-focused system design. Cash App is more variable depending on employer timing and transfer confirmation. Neither app can guarantee early direct deposit in every case. To sum it up, Chime is generally faster and more consistent for early direct deposit visibility, while Cash App follows standard processing timelines that can feel slower and less predictable. Next, make sure your employer supports early payroll submission, and double-check your routing details to avoid delays. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more banking comparisons, direct deposit breakdowns, and financial app guides.